Hey there, Ni Yamuda here, and today I'm going to show you how to create this movie poster design by Dhanryalpeter. Actually, his name is Dhanryalpeter, right? Dhanryalpeter, and I'm going to drop his handle in the description for those of you that we like to follow and know him. Right, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so this is only going to be for reference. Alright, that is the original design right there. So I'm going to let me remove all these guys. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is to bring in our background. Alright, okay, so I'm going to go over to download. I'm going to go over to download. Come on now. I'll check for the background that I'm going to be using. So this is the background. I'm going to drag it here like this. Alright, I'll still increase it. Alright, so the original background is blue, and for the other design it is purple. So we can actually tweak it by using the hue of color filters. So why not us choose something different? So let's try a different color. So we can use, so I don't want to go to purple, I want to do something like, let's go with green. Alright, let's go with green. So everything's going to be in this texture. Right, so we are going to bring in this guy here, or we can even do blue. We can do blue. So let's see, we can do blue actually. So let's try blue. Alright, so we're going to come here, click here, we click this guy here. So try to adjust the design to have a feel of the blue that we're going to be using. So we try to adjust it. All right, okay, see what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to copy this, right? Then I'm going to make sure that this part, you see this part that is showing a line at the front, I want that part to be blue. So I'm going to do it till it gets that blue color. All right, then I'm going to come here, then I'm going to clean some of the part I don't want. So all this part like this to here, I don't want it, so I'm going to remove it. All right, so let me increase this to the end. So I've removed the part that I don't want. Do it to like the video and then share it with a friend. So that's that. Then I'm going to click here. I'll bring that stuff here. Are you seeing that now? So that it has that blue stuff. so the first one is this one here. Okay, so we can tweak it to get the blue. All right, which is not so bad. Now then we'll come here, we'll bring in this guy, here, which we're going to use to fence or to fade the background. All right, so if you want to get it correctly, then you need to click here. So let's begin with this. All right, so we're going to look for that the blue color there. So we're going to look for a blue color, but it's going to be dark blue. So we'll go somewhere here. All right, we still need to go inside here. All right, so that we can blend this background now. All right, so we'll come here, make sure that this is actually going into the background. If you look at the design, you will notice that some part of it is showing green. That is this guy here. So we can check if we can work on that. Not that one. So click here and then come back to this one. Yes, that's it. So we'll come here, we will work on the part that is showing okay, that is showing green. But if we work on that part, you will notice that it's not changing to a different color. All right, so let's leave it as blue. Where is it? Blue, okay. All right, so but the flower itself is showing a different color. So what do we do? All right, so let's come here like this. All right, so I will tell you what to do. We'll click here, copy this. All right, we'll bring it there. Okay, so we'll just faint it a little, just a little, but we increase the blue in it, so we'll bring it somewhere here. All right, so we'll come here, we'll copy, we'll put it there also. We'll come here, we'll copy, put it somewhere there. Then this one we'll also put it there. All right, then the next thing we want to do now is to copy this guy. We take this one, rotate it and bring it here. So please do well to increase this, and we'll fill this part of the design to this place here. Right. All right, then the next thing we want to do right now is to bring in these images. The first image is going to be this guy right here, so we're going to just reduce it like this and put it right there. Okay, all right, then we're going to bring in, try to adjust the face, so we'll bring in this one again. This lady right here. All right, sorry, the lady right here. So make sure that our faces are equal, so something like that. Bring the lady right there. Then we'll bring the last guy. So the lady is going to be at the middle, around that part there. Then the last person is going to be somewhere here, which is this guy here. Don't forget to like the video. So we'll put the face there, make sure that they're equal, then we'll bring it here. All right, so what do we do next? Quickly, we try to make sure that the face, the color in the face, let it suit the color of the background, that is blue. All right, so we'll just touch it a little. All right, so look at it. Let me show you something. So let's adjust it again, so just a little of it. All right, okay, see what I did just now. So I'll push it a little here, push this a little here. So we'll do that for all of them, so this here and this here. All right, so now we have to blend all the backgrounds. And how do we do that? We bring these guys to the front, bring these guys to the front, bring these guys to the front, bring these guys to the front. All right, so we would click on this guy and try to use them to blend the images. All right, so that it blends very well with the background. So I'm rotating this one here and putting it here. Then this one here, I'm rotating it and putting it here. Rotate it and put it here. Rotate again, put it here. So somewhere there. Okay, and copy this one, rotate it and put it there. So it has blended very well. So we're going to come here, click here. We are now going to choose one of these guys here. All right, so when this one comes like this, we're going to increase it. We're going to increase it. We are going to now come over here, remove this guy. All right, remove that guy. Then we'll still work on it though. Come over here and do this. All right, Alright, so we'll come over here and do this. Are you seeing that now? So I'm trying to faint it inside the background. Alright, then at the edges here, we're going to increase this and clean that edges. Go back, increase this and clean the edges. Alright, clean the edges. Alright, so that's what we're going to have this guy here. Alright, I will still faint it. Alright, then I'm going to so what we're going to do next is to bring in this guy again. So let's click here, let's check this one. We're going to use it for something else. So let's bring in this one first. Let's see how we can manage to use this. So check, we increase. What we're looking at for is blue. Okay, I want to leave that first. I want to bring in these guys. Bring in the title, which is this one here. Alright, I'm going to just increase it like this. Then I'm gonna come here and then do this. Alright, increase it a little. Okay, so that's not all. So we have this lighting effect around the entire design. If you notice, let's do something. Read your Bible, 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 read your Bible. Alright, so I'm going to click 1, 2, 3. I'm going to move a little bit here. Alright, then after that, let's try to increase the opacity of this guy. Let's see. Alright, just a little of it. Alright, then okay, so the next thing we want to do now is to save this design. Just go ahead and save it. Alright, don't forget to like the video and share it to your friend. Subscribe also to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. So I'm saving the design right now. The design has been saved. Alright, so see what I want to do next. I'm going to come to Snapseed very quickly. I will select this one here. Then I'm going to click on this to sharpen it. Right, then we're going to go over to where we have this. We can work on this a little. Okay, we can work on this. Okay, all right, then we come to ambience, shadow. All right, then warmth. Okay, so this will give us the blue face very well. All right, after that, I want to quickly go ahead and save it. Then we'll go to Picsart and see what we can do with Picsart. So let's go to Picsart. So we'll open Picsart very quickly. Do it to like the video and then share with a friend. I'm clicking on this guy here. Then I'm going to look for where to add the design. So click here, and this is it. Okay, it's loading. Forget about this many blah blah blah. There should be a place to cancel this thing now. Is it by force? So just click back, it will cancel. Then go to where you have what's it called, add image. Then locate that image that you want to add. And where can I get that? How can I get that? So click on recent, click on, I don't know where you have it on your phone, so I'm trying to locate where it is on my phone. Let me locate it. Right, so I've seen what I am looking for. I've seen it. I think this is it. So I'll click on add. Alright, so I'm going to stretch it like this. I'm going to go to where we have blend. and I'll click on screen to remove that color. Then I'll click on, all right, so screen is there already. Then I'm going to do it like this. Try to rotate it. Let me rotate it like this. Okay, rotate it. I want it to actually, okay, let's see if we can adjust the color. So let's go to adjust. Let's go to saturation. Let's look at if we can adjust the color. So we want to adjust the color to give us something that is bluish. So go to hue. Are you seeing that now? So we're trying to get more of blue. All right. Okay. Saturation. Okay, so contrast, clarity, then shadow and highlight. So we'll just do all the editing we want to do, then we'll stretch it out from here. So watch, I'm going to stretch it out from here. All right, and it's too bright. I want it to fall around this place. Then I'm going to reduce the opacity. So let's go. All right, I want it to even fall around this part here. So let's try something. Let's try to compress it. It's not working. Oh, I want to try to compress it from here. Okay, yes. Then I want it around that region, around this place. And I even want it the other way, so I want to flip it. Let's see. Okay, so that means I can actually rotate it now. So I'll just come here like this and I'll put it there. Let's still rotate it. I want the blue. Okay, so something like that. But we'll still have to increase it. All right, so we can put it there. All right, so that's that. Then we can come over here to opacity again, and we can just reduce it. Just reduce the opacity. All right. What I wanted there, what I really wanted is not what is giving me. But let's leave it. Let's leave it. Okay. What I really wanted, sure. All right. Let me close this place up. This blue is what I really wanted. This blue. Okay. All right. So that's that. We're done with it. All right. So after that, we can go ahead and save the design again. Okay. After saving it, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to share it with a friend. After saving it, I'm taking it back to Picsart. I'm bringing it up again, and let's see how we can retouch it. The first thing I want to click right here is to go to sharpen, and I'll do this. All right. Okay, so that's that. Then I'm going to go over here again where we have the tools, and I'm going to click on saturation. If we do this is what we're going to get. So we'll come here, highlights, come here, warmth. All right, so we just retouch it like that. Shadows. All right, so when you are done, don't forget to save your design. My name is Dhanryalpeter, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching to the end. Do have to like this design, like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Tell me where you're watching from.